Right now at 6, hundreds of workers walking the picket line at a major Racine employer, farm equipment maker CNH, and the union trying to come to an agreement on wages and work hours. And this evening we take a look into the labor movement as Rebecca Clough goes in depth on America's perceptions of labor unions.
Workers walk the picket line in front of the CNH plant in Racine. They've been on strike since last Monday when contract talks failed. They now have learned come Friday, if they're still on strike, the company will no longer provide health care insurance and the union will need to cover the benefits.
If you take our insurance, how is that bargaining in good faith? We're out here because this is the only way we can fight. This is the only way we can get the attention of the people who are in the place to give us better benefits and wages.
Robert Starks has been with CNH going on 26 years. He's a proud member of the United Auto Workers Local 180. Currently, the number of workers who are in a union in the country is down by more than 10%. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of workers in a union fell by 241,000 last year. What's rising is how the country feels about unions.
We're near historic, at least in my lifetime, record highs in terms of union approval in the country.
A Gallup poll taken last year shows 68% of Americans approve of labor unions. That's the highest approval rating since 1965. A University of Wisconsin-Madison labor education professor says he sees more unionization efforts popping up since the pandemic.
I think workers, as they see other workers having success in doing this, also sparks their interest, whether it's the Collectivo workers leading to the Starbucks workers, or maybe in this case, the activity of the John Deere workers now spilling over to the, Case IH.
The biggest contributing factor is that people don't feel appreciated in the workplace.
The local UAW president says as CNH workers strike here in Racine, it's also sparked interest.
Somebody did reach out to us to get organized. So I'll be following up with that, later on today to see what we can do to help them out.
CNH union workers are expected to lose their health care coverage come Friday. CNH says before the strike, they agreed the union would cover any striking employees' health care coverage. Now, the company says it's disappointed that the parties couldn't reach an agreement, but they're going to continue to negotiate in good faith. The local union here says they're ready to get back to the bargaining table. They're just waiting for a call. Reporting in Racine, Rebecca Clough, TMJ4 News.